Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to utilize Monday.com for your team brainstorming needs, your complete 2025 guide. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to create a new board. This is done by simply clicking on New and then New Board. This is where you'll house all your brainstorming ideas. Now that we've done that, you might be wondering why this step is important. Well, creating a separate board for brainstorming keeps your ideas organized and ensures your team has a dedicated space to foster creativity. Next up, add your team members to the board. You can do this by clicking Invite and entering their email addresses. This helps us because it ensures everyone on your team has access to the board and can contribute their ideas. After your team is added, you'll want to set up columns for your brainstorming session. For example, you might have columns for idea, contributor, and status. The reason we do this is to structure the brainstorming process and track the progress of each idea. Once your columns are set up, it's time to start brainstorming. You or your team members can add ideas to the board by clicking on the plus symbol next to each column. This is where the magic happens. Each idea becomes a task that can be assigned, tracked, and managed. Let me explain why this matters. By treating every idea as a task, you ensure that nothing gets lost in the shuffle and every idea is given due consideration. And that's it. You're now set up to use Monday.com for your team brainstorming sessions. Breaking down the process into these simple steps allows you to harness the power of Monday.com to make your brainstorming sessions more effective and organized. And there you have it. A quick but comprehensive guide on how to use Monday.com for team brainstorming. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and ensure every idea is given the attention it deserves. Thanks for tuning in, and happy brainstorming.